Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the subject while replying in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to redirect a conversation or make the subject more relevant to what you're actually discussing. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your inbox. Make sure you wait a moment for everything to sync properly, especially if you have a lot of messages coming through. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your messages are displayed. Here's where you'll locate the specific email you want to reply to while changing its subject line. Take your time to find the right email, as this ensures you're working with the correct conversation thread. Once you've found it, right-click on that email. This action will bring up a context menu with several options available. From this list of options, click on Reply. This opens up the reply functionality while still giving you control over various settings. A reply window will now appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Unlike the standard reply function, this method allows you direct access to the subject line field at the top of the reply window. You can now click directly into that subject line field and edit it to whatever makes sense for your response. Maybe the original subject was too vague, or perhaps the conversation has shifted to a different topic entirely. Whatever the reason, you now have full control to change it. After you've updated the subject line to something more appropriate, move down to the Compose field provided below. This is where you'll type out your actual reply message. Write your response as you normally would, addressing the points you need to cover. Once you've finished composing your message, hit the Send button, and your reply will go out with the new subject line you just created. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the subject while replying in Outlook, making your email threads clearer and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.